Guys, you are watching Wise Tech Engineering YouTube channel by Mohammad Abdul Mehboob, and today I am going to explain you the projection of line chapter 1 problem. So this is the problem, and projection of line chapter is applicable to diploma, ITI and engineering students. So, and this problem is of 10 to 15 marks for the different branches. So please watch my videos till the end, and also subscribe, like and comment in my YouTube channel inbox, and also press in my YouTube channel bell icon to get you the more notifications of other videos. So please watch my videos till the end. And now I am starting my question. A line having one of its ends 10 mm above HP and 20 mm in front of VP is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. Its front view is 50 mm long. Draw the projection of the line and find out its true length. So to draw this question according to the question, we have to project the lines. So first we have to draw an XY line, that is the reference line, like this, and upward above XY line you will have a vertical plane, this one, and below XY line you have a horizontal plane HP. Okay, then after, according to the question, how much line is above and below you will have, because in the front view 2 lines you will have, and in the top view you will have 2 lines. So above, how much these lines are above and below, we have to do that one first. Okay, a line having one of its ends 10 mm above HP means a line is having 10 mm above HP. Means above HP means you have to take on VP as 10 mm length from XY line, like this. Okay, and draw a focus line parallel to XY line and show the dimension of this line as 10 mm you have taken. So 10 mm and 20 mm in front of VP. 20 mm in front of VP means you have to take on HP 20 mm, means VP in front will be HP. So you have to take on HP. Then after, draw a locus line parallel to XY line. This is the locus. So show the dimension of this line also, 20 mm. Okay, then after, we have done this process. 20 mm in front of is inclined at 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP means a line, but in the question he doesn't give you the dimensions of the line and also an angle. So just he gave you an angle which is 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP, means a line is there in the front view and top view, means he has given you the then after, he has given you the angle 30 degree to HP and 45 degree to VP. So 30 degree which is given to HP, we have to draw on VP here. So we have to adjust your minute after to 30 degree angle, and we have to draw from here on VP 30 degree. But the line length is not given, so you have to take a convenient length like this. Then another line of 45 degree or to VP is given, so we have to draw on HP. Just give a minute after, or you can take by your protractor also. Then 45, a line should be drawn with convenient length. So for not giving the length of this line in the question. So then after, you have to see the other things in the question. Its front view is 50 mm long. 50 mm long means in front view and another line is there. So that line is of 50 mm. So from here we have to take a length. Suppose if this line is in this question, this only line length he has given you but not the angle. So if he gives you means 50 mm line and that angle we can draw, but in this question it doesn't give the angle, so only distance he gave you. So the distance I am taking 50 mm like this. Okay, from this distance we have to take a line downwards like this, and where this line is meeting here, that line of this line will be of true length. We have removed in the top view. So dark it fill this line, and remaining line we can rub it. Okay, and another locus also we got. So according to the parallel to the XY line we have to draw. Adjust your mirror after and draw a locus here also. Then after, take your divider, and this true length distance will be same on this angle 30 degree we took. So taking this dimension on the divider and putting on the 30 degree angle line also. The another locus in the VP also we will get where this line is meeting. So draw a locus line, and this line will be the true length on the front view. So dark it. Okay, then after, from this true line of the front view we have to take a horizontal line downwards like this till this locus. Then after, taking your divider, keeping on this end, adjusting the length of this from here to here, this line, then taking an arc, and where this arc is meeting here to this locus, from there to this point you will get the another line. You have to draw that line also, and this line end you have to draw a straight line. Okay, and you have to draw on the locus here another line is meeting, so you have to draw another line. Why means you have to draw this straight, and because on a straight two, these two end projectors will be on same end distance. Okay, so that is the proof. You have to draw that also. Then after, you have to show the labelings of this figure. In the question it doesn't give you any labeling, so you can do by any labeling you can do. So it will be P, and this long line end will be Q, and this one will be Q1 dash. Okay, Q1 dash, and this one will be P1, and this will be Q1, and this one will be Q2 dash. And labeling I have done, and according to the dimensions given in the question you have to do also here. So 10 mm I have shown you, 20 mm I have shown, and 30 degree angle we have to show, and 40 degree angle we have to show. So 30 degree angle will be HPE saving, so VP 30 degree angle you will having like this, and 45 degree to VP means 45 degree to HP we have taken. Okay, its front view is 50 mm long, means this line front view is 50 mm we took. If we draw this line, if we draw this arc from here, you will get a 50 mm line only. So you have to show that dimension of that line also by taking its perpendicular line extension lines like this, and show the dimension of 50 mm. Okay, all dimension I have shown, and in the question draw the projection of the line. This is the projection of the line, and find out its true length. Means true length is this big line you are getting now. This is the true length of the line. So adjust your mini drafter to that line, draw extension line like this, and measure this line how much it is, and you have to show the dimension of this line. So how much it is? I am getting 65. Okay, so 65 mm you can write, and it is the complete solution of this problem. Hope guys, if you like my videos, please share, like and subscribe my channel, and also please press my YouTube channel bell icon for the more notifications of other videos, and also please practice by yourself, then only you will come to understand how to draw this problem. Thank you.